Today we talk about how can you select, how can send your messages on your Waplog app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on privacy settings, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to who can send me messages. Click here in this sign, and here can you select who can send you messages on your Waplog app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.